Hi, Matt from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres. Next product. So what we've got on here is the bonnet lift. So this car, the new Ranger, comes as standard with no gas struts. We've all got now new modern cars where we come to the side of the road, we come to fill our washer bottles up. And in olden times, basically what you used to have to do, you used to have to lift this big heavy bonnet, lift it up. You used to have to put your strut up, if I can get that out. There we go. So put your strut up and then balance it on there. So this product alleviates that. So what I'll do is I'll put that back down now and then we'll zoom in so you can see the product. Is come to your bonnet, lift it, get it to a certain point, let the struts kick in, and it takes it away. Not having to mess around with this, and nice, easy, low-cost product. So you can see it uses 2 dampers, one at either side, with a unique bracket system that utilises some of the car's existing holes on there. So it couldn't be any easier. All you DIYers, nice simple product. You could probably have this fitted in 15-20 minutes tops. So keep an eye out on the website. These will be listed ready for your new cars arriving at the dealers. And yeah, thanks for watching.